Cricut Design Space has a ton of pre-designed projects that you can use. Some are free, some are included with access, and some you have to pay for. But when you're a beginner, how do you know which ones are worth trying? This is Ruth with Hank's Maker Mentor. I'm going to walk you through the project details so that you can understand what to look for in deciding if a project is a good choice for you. When you open up a project, you'll see an image of the finished project. It'll slide to show you what the cut file looks like. You can share a project, save it by clicking on this little banner. You'll see this one has been saved 20,700 times. You can click on the three dots to print these details, which is really useful if it's an intricate project that you need to refer to them multiple times. In bold, you have the name of the project. This is the Tic-Tac-Toe Valentine card. Underneath, it says the difficulty and about how long the project should take. This one is easy and it should take less than 30 minutes. It lets you know the finished size. It gives you a description, the materials you need to have on hand to cut. Here under everything else is where you'll find the mat, the tools that you need, any pens, or other things that you're going to need to use with the project. It has preparation. It lets you know that if you want to alter it, you can click customize and make any changes. If you want to do multiples, you'll do that on the mat preview screen. It lets you know to follow the prompts in Design Space, to draw, score, and cut the images. And then it lets you know how to assemble it, and it walks you through those steps. You have this section that is images and fonts used in this project. When you click on that, it lets you know that it uses this heart, this X print, and these other designs. It lets you know how much they cost. And if you want to use only part of it, let's say you love this X print design, but you don't really want to do the whole project, you can copy the ID number, the one that starts with pound or hashtag, depending on your generation, and you can put that in the search bar to find just that particular design to put into other projects. You can also click on related projects and it gives you different things in similar categories, and it has the help articles linked. This one includes the pen information and the scoring wheels information because those are part of this particular project. This Valentine's mail cart is super cute, but for a beginner, you'd look at it and you'd notice that it's advanced and it takes 1 to 2 hours. It's not a good project to start on for a beginner, but it's one you might consider saving, and then as you become more comfortable with your Cricut, you can go back to it at that time. I hope it was helpful to see how the project information is laid out so that you can make the projects that are right for you. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I make sure to answer all the comments. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. I am here to help you learn how to make. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.